So hey guys, in today's tutorial we're going to focus on achieving a sleek, defined yet natural eyebrow while using concealer. So you're going to get the opportunity to watch me do my face as I get ready for work this morning, and yeah. So I'm going to start off with some foundation as I usually do. Now I'm doing this because first, I've already moisturized, but I'm using the foundation first because I want to show you that there are different ways to apply your concealer while doing your own makeup, okay? So sometimes in makeup, you may hear an artist say there are no rules. There are sometimes, but for now there aren't. So now that I've applied my foundation, I just want to point out to you the things that you're going to need for a sleeked, defined eyebrow, okay? So you're going to need a flat end brush, an eyeshadow brush, well, kind of flat, and also your concealer. And then you're going to need your brow pencil with a spoolie brush at the end, okay? So those are the four main things that you're going to need in order to achieve a sleek, defined yet natural. I'm for natural because you know, sometimes I see some really harsh looking defined eyebrows, and I think we need to kind of learn how to balance our makeup. First thing is to line the bottom of the eyebrow and use this technique so that you can shape the arch, or whichever arch that you desire. Now if I wanted, I could have a more defined arch, but I prefer the rounded arch, okay? And then I'm going to use the same brush in light upward strokes, and I'm just going to fill in very gently, even though I've created that defined arch at the bottom, okay? And now what you find is some people would do the same defined line at the top, but it doesn't have to be so harsh, okay? So still lightly, and it's about filling in. Now I'm going to use the spoolie brush end of the pencil, just bring that down, and I'm going to wiggle the brush at the bottom to blur the definition of the line that I just created, okay? So if you notice, I'm combing in an upward motion, but I'm zhuzhing the brush, I'm wiggling it, so to speak. Okay, now one of the reasons why I decided to do this video in particular today is because I see so many of you looking so amazing with your makeup, but then I noticed that when it comes to the eyebrows, I'm always seeing the concealer. So I just want to show you exactly what I've been seeing, and with the hopes that you'll be able to do what I just did so that you can enhance your look, okay? So here's what not to do. This is a don't. So this is actually what you would call a don't. The harshness of the pencil is there. I can see the concealer, really it needs to be blended in, and the harshness needs to be blurred away using the spoolie brush. Okay, exactly what I showed you earlier on. So I definitely want you guys to practice this more. While this is like really defined, it's a bit much, and I think you can see the difference. You can still have defined eyebrows with it looking natural. Alright guys, well I hope you learned something today, especially, you know, with regards to your eyebrows. I've got to go to work, so I will see you next time. Take care.